Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The first time you visit a group, a welcome email will contain links to start a conversation, view group files, and use the calendar. The Group Name button group in the Home tab, where group name is the name of your group, contains a Files button that will also allow you to access group files. Clicking either the View Group Files link in the welcome message or the Files button in the Home tab will open your web browser and ask you to sign in to Office 365. After signing in, you will be taken to your Group OneDrive page. The first time you visit through a group link, you may be shown the Team Sites page that is created for you in SharePoint. Simply close this page and then click the View Group Files link or the Files button to access your Group OneDrive page. All the groups you are a member of will be listed at the left side of the screen under Groups. Click any of the group titles to display the files for that particular group. Any files uploaded to the group will be visible within this tab. On this page, you will be able to create a new document or folder by clicking the New command to display a drop-down menu of choices. Depending on the subscription your organization uses, your options may vary on the type of file that you can create. You can click Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, or OneNote notebook to create that type of file. You can click the Folder command to create a new folder. To upload documents to your OneDrive, click Upload to open the File Upload dialog box. You can then navigate to the file you want to upload and click it to add it to the file name field. Then click Open to add the file to the upload list. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop files onto the page to add them to your group OneDrive. To create a synchronized copy of the group OneDrive account on your local computer, you can click the Sync link and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on the type of subscription you have, this may not be an option or work properly. Note that you may need to set your browser to allow pop-ups in order to see the sync pop-ups appear. You can invite other people to view all files or specific files by selecting Files and clicking the Share command. Enter the name or email address of people to share with, or type Everyone to share with your whole contact list, and then select the level of access from the drop-down to the right. Can Edit will allow others to make changes to the file. Can View will allow them to view the file. You can enter an optional personal message into the provided text field. When you're ready, you can simply click the Share button to share the files with the selected people. Note that clicking the more dots that appear in line with the file will open up the rest of the menu items for working with your files. Clicking Open in Word in the pop-up menu will open the document in the desktop version of Word. Clicking Open in Word Online will open the document in Word Online. Note that the program name will reflect the type of file that is trying to be opened. So for example, if opening an Excel file, these commands would say instead, Open in Excel and Open in Excel Online. If no corresponding program is available, these options may not be selectable or may not appear. Clicking the Download command will allow you to download the file to your local computer. Clicking Share allows you to share the file with others, as was just mentioned. Clicking Rename allows you to rename the file if you have permission. Clicking Delete will send the file to the cloud-based recycle bin if you have permission. Choosing Get a Link will create a link that you can share for the file. This can then be copied into an email or onto a web page. Also under the More dots, note that you can select Copy to open a pop-up pane that will allow you to copy the file to a new folder. You can select a folder that's listed or click the New Folder button and then name the folder in the text box that appears. Then click the Create button to create the file. Select the folder into which you want to copy the currently selected file, and then click the Copy button in the pane to copy your file to a new location. To move a selected file to a new location, select the file, and then click the more dots that appear at the top of the page or in line with the file, and then choose the Move To command. The Move Item To pane will then open. Once again, select a folder to move the file into, or click the New Folder button to create a new folder. After selecting a folder, click the Move button within the pane to move the file to its new save location. Clicking the Version History command will show you all the versions of the document that have been created by members of the group working on the document. A Delete All Versions link will remove all versions of the document from OneDrive. You can click OK in the confirmation box that appears after clicking that link to delete all versions of a file. Clicking the Details command in the pop-up menu will open a pane at the right side of the screen. This pane will display a preview of the file, note who is sharing the file, show the recent activity for the file, as well as the information about the file. This new feature replaces the old Properties functionality. The Information section contains the file type, the last date modified, the file path, and the size of the file. Note that when you choose to delete a file from the OneDrive storage account, it is sent to a virtual recycle bin. Next to the Files command near the top of the page is a Recycle Bin link. Click Recycle Bin to open the page and view the files that you have deleted. From this page, you can restore or permanently delete the files listed. Select the files you want to restore or delete by checking the checkboxes to the left of the file names. Note that to select all of the files listed, you can simply check the checkbox that appears at the top of the file list. After making your selection, you can click Restore Selection to restore the files to their original location in your OneDrive online storage account. You can click the Delete Selection command to delete the files permanently. This virtual recycle bin acts just like the recycle bin found on a Windows-based computer. When finished, you can click the Files command again to see the files for the group.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.